Hey everyone, welcome back to the Get Lost project. Today I'm taking you somewhere truly special, the stunning Cabana Blu Lifestyle Hotel on island of Kos. We spent a few unforgettable days here and I want to give you an honest inside look from the food and drinks, the rooms, the atmosphere and all the little details that made this trip stand out. So grab a drink, sit back and stay with me till the end because by the time we're done you might be adding this place to your next holiday list. Let's start with the breakfast, and trust me, it's a feast. Picture this, a table full of cheeses, cold cuts, English breakfast classics, freshly baked bread, and yes, two kinds of toasters. There's every kind of juice you can imagine, pineapple, apple, orange, and freshly made omelets, cooked right in front of you. Sweet or savory, it doesn't matter. From pancakes and mustards to egg benedicts or poached perfection, there's something for every craving. Fast forward to lunch. Colorful salads, creamy tzatziki, tender lamb, juicy chicken and pasta that hits the spot every single time. Every day brings a new soup, fresh pizza flavors, and a spread of desserts that's impossible to walk past. Hiya. Here's one of the desserts that we tried. And then comes dinner, our favorite part. One night we were surprised with live saxophone music under the stars. The vibe? Pure magic. The dress code says smart, but honestly, no one cares if you're in shorts. You're in Greece after all. Dinner had everything, cheese and meatballs, Greek specialties, local honeycombs, and perfectly prepared drinks served in chilled glasses. The bartenders here know their craft. Every cocktail looked like it came straight out of a resort commercial. Now let's talk service, because this team deserves a shout out. They're fast, friendly and genuinely care about your experience. Whether it's coffee refills at breakfast or wine top-ups by the pool, they make you feel like family from day one. Not once did we meet anyone who wasn't smiling, and that really says it all. When the sun sets, the pool bar stays open until 11 p.m. The perfect place to unwind, meet new people, or just enjoy the sea view. And yes, the Wi-Fi strong enough to sneak in a bit of work. I tested it. Our room was cozy but stylish. Double bed, extra bed, a private terrace with a sea view and daily cleaning with an espresso pod restocked every morning. If you love that first coffee with a view, you'll be in heaven. Throughout the day, there are also snacks, fries, onion rings, burgers, hot dogs and pancakes in the afternoon. For something a bit fancier, we tried both a la carte restaurants, Mediterranean and Asian. The Asian night was a dream. California rolls, sashimi, tom yum, bao buns, spring rolls and Mandarin duck, ending, of course, with a caramelized banana. The Mediterranean lunch was just as good, fresh, flavorful, and of course, finished with a tiramisu. By the end of our stay, one thing was clear. Cabana Blu Lifestyle Hotel isn't just another resort. It's the kind of place you come to once and immediately start planning your return. If you're thinking of visiting Kos, this is a spot we can truly recommend. Let me know in the comments what part of the hotel you'd love to try first. The breakfast spread, the pool bar, or maybe those live music dinners. And do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss our next adventure with the Get Lost project.